we all want our audio to be perfect and sounding good to the ears, but all we are stuck with is this. I mean, the excessive background noise and the flat voice. I don't like this. So how can we make our audio sound from this to this? We all need audio which is pleasing to the ears. I have been using the Sony ECMB10 shotgun mic for around 3 to 4 years now, and I have taken the most use out of it. The Sony ECMB10 was a very good mic, and it provided features like multi-directional audio recording, then low-cut filter on the mic, audio level mastering, and so on. But the problem for me was that the mic was only supporting on Sony cameras. The Sony ECMB10 uses the Sony multifunctional hot shoe mount, which is only available on the cameras, so you can't use it anywhere else. When I upgraded to an iPhone, I have been mostly shooting all my videos with my phone because of its portability, and it's easy to take out, and it also provides a very good quality, and I wanted good audio quality to support both my phone and my camera as well. What better option than to get the DJI Mic Mini, which will give me a professional quality audio at a very affordable price. And I think this is one of the best investments that I have made for my filming journey. So this video is going to be all about the DJI Mic Mini and my review on it, which you can hear and decide for yourself if you should go for it or not. So let's get this video started. Let's start with what comes inside the box of the DJI Mic Mini. Inside the box, you get some paperwork. You get the nicely packed mic inside this plastic packaging, some nice stickers, some of which I have already put up. The mic box comes in this lovely travel pouch with the DJI branding so that you can carry it easily anywhere you want. And inside the bag is the case in which you get 2 transmitters and 1 receiver along with a Type-C adapter. Remember, if you need a lightning bolt adapter, you have to buy that separately. Along with that, you get the charging cable and the aux cable, which is used to connect with the camera. And for the last, you get 2 sets of dead cats or windscreens, whatever you call it, one in grey and one in black. This really helps with the kind of outfit you are wearing and makes you look more presentable. Now that we are done with what comes in the box, let's get on with the features of the mic. One of the best features that makes this mic best in its own price segment is because of its weight and portability. It's just 10 grams. It's this much in size and it is very powerful. I know you want to know the price and the place where I got this from. Stick out till the end to find that out. DJI, being a trusted brand with a various lot of products in different categories, never really backs down on quality. At this price segment, this small mic produces professional level audio quality. The Mic Mini gives crisp and clear audio quality, and the transmission is very stable. The mic comes in this power bank case, which gives it around 48 hours of power backup. So whenever you put the mic inside the case, it automatically charges on. You don't have to worry about charging this very often. This mic has 2-level noise cancellation, and it does a pretty good job like this. This is me speaking with the DJI Mic Mini while the noise cancellation feature is turned off. And this is me using the 2-level noise cancellation feature of the DJI Mic Mini, and I think it does a pretty good job. Don't you think so? You can toggle the noise cancellation function on or off by pressing the power button once. The last and quite impressive feature of this mic is that this mic is very much adaptable and compatible to the DJI Osmo collection or range, so that if you have a DJI Osmo Action or a DJI Osmo Pocket, you can directly connect the mics without the receiver directly to the transmitter, so that you can get good quality audio with your devices. This is because DJI is making a good improvement in its DJI ecosystem, which is amazing. And along with that, another feature that is commendable is that you don't need to use the receiver on your phone. This device can directly connect to your phone via Bluetooth, so that you don't have to put on the adapter every time you want. You just connect it with the Bluetooth and it's ready to record. Now let's get more functions out of this mic. So you'll have to install DJI Mimo app in your smartphones to get full access to the functions of the mic. Connect your receiver with your phone with the help of the adapter and then head over to the Mimo app. The app will detect your receiver and then you can open the settings. Here in the settings, you can see the 2-level noise cancellation option marked as strong and basic. Below it, you can switch your audio channel from mono to stereo, whichever you prefer. And below that, you will get functions like the low cut filter option, the auto off option, the auto on off with camera option, and also the auto clipping control option. So you'll also get the updates regarding the transmitters and the receiver. Only what you have to do is keep your app open on the phone and then connect your transmitter and receivers wirelessly, that means via Bluetooth, so that the updates can get installed into the transmitters and receiver. So to test the transmission distance of the receiver and the transmitter, I have come to my terrace and I am standing on my second terrace, and I have placed my camera with the receiver on the other end of the terrace, and I am standing here talking to you guys loud and clear, and there is no audio droppings. So the DJI Mic Mini does a very good job. DJI does say that the maximum range or the maximum distance that the audio transmission can take place in a clear, unobstructed environment, it can go max up to 400 meters. I haven't tested that long of a distance yet, but I think the mic will be able to do justice to the audio. So we are near the end of this video and to the part you all were waiting for. So the DJI Mic Mini costed me around 13,000 rupees, and I think it is a steal deal for me. Why so? Because my previous mic, the Sony CMB10, was around 15,000 rupees and I got this one for even cheaper. So if you are living around Kolkata, so you should visit the Professional Enterprise store in Metro Gully, Esplanade, which is the camera gully of Kolkata, where you will get A to Z all of the stuff related to camera and the filming world. I got it for 13,000 rupees, but you can get it for cheaper too. The kind of love that you have shown to my tech and review videos is immense, and I think this video should get that kind of love too. Don't forget to hit the like button. Comment down your views about this video in the comment box below. Anything you want to comment about the video, or if you know of another mic in this price range which is pretty good too, and I'll check it out. Share this video with anyone you know of who is looking to buy a mic at this affordable range, and I hope that this video can help them out choose the right mic for themselves. Last but not the least, hit that subscribe button and the bell notification icon beside it, because you want to get notified about the upcoming videos that are going to be on my channel in a few days. I am traveling again, and you know what that means. That means a lot of travel content is coming up on my channel and you want to be notified about it. So hit that bell notification icon. I'll see you again in an exciting video. Till then, I'm Soham Sen signing off.